Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of remodeling my bathroom and I got new plumbing put in, so I thought I'd take a second just to show you installing the closet flange. And you're going to want this about a 1/4 inch above your finished grade in the room, the level floor. So I've actually already pre-cut my my drain pipe for the sewer, and so that's just slightly below the grade in the room here. I actually cut it before laying this luxury vinyl, I believe it's called, flooring. So it's very thin, but that sets me up perfect. So then this is going to sit flat against the ground. So some of the things you're going to need are just some screws for it. I'm using number 14 2-inch. It's going to depend on what you're screwing into, obviously. You know, so if you're screwing into cement, for instance, you're going to have to use, you know, tap cons or something like that. But you're going to want them to sit flush once they're screwed in. And then this does have the recession for that. You're going to need some cement and, you know, primer for your PVC. I'm going to be using just a little drill bit just to pre-drill the holes, being that I'm using a larger screw. But I'm just going into plywood, so you probably wouldn't even have to, but just playing it safe. But yeah, so we'll get to it. We'll start by installing this flange, and you're going to want to make sure that you got these spots for your closet bolts that are going to screw up into your toilet that hold it down. You're going to want to make sure those are at the 9 and 3 position, just in relation to the wall. So then when you install those studs, they'll be in the proper spot for your toilet once it gets put on. So just keep that in mind. And now I have a 3-inch sewer pipe that I installed. So this is actually a 3 or 4-inch. So you could either go inside of a 4-inch pipe or outside of a 3-inch, and that's what I'm doing. So I'll actually be installing it on the inside of this. I got just enough room around it to get the brush in here. So yeah, you just want to give it a little twist as you push it in, and then you just want to make sure you're at your 9 and 3 with these bolts, or where the bolts will be, because otherwise you'll have a crooked toilet. You just want to hold that for a minute. And that should do it. So now I'm just gonna screw it down. I'm gonna fill all those holes just to make sure that this is nice and secure, because you don't want a toilet that rocks, that's for sure. And I'm too lazy to go get my impact, my larger impact I should say, so I just swapped out for my drill. Alright, and there you have it. That's the installation process for your closet flange for your toilet. I hope this helped. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any questions about what I did here. Thank you.